Web hosting. The reason why you need web hosting is to store your website files and images. To get started, go to hostgator.com. This is a very popular choice for web hosting and reasonably priced. So to register for web hosting, simply click Web Hosting and choose a plan. You've got your hatchling plan, baby plan, and business plan. The difference is the hatchling plan only allows one single domain name, meaning you can only host one www.yourdomainname.com. As a long-term strategy, you want to register for a plan which allows unlimited domain names, giving you potential to host unlimited domains. The next plan above, the business plan, allows unlimited domain names with the added private IP and SSL certificate. This is more advanced. It's best to stick to the baby plan, which will give you more value for money and all the necessities to host your websites. To register, simply click Order Now, and you'll see this, choose a domain name. If you've already registered a domain name, simply enter your domain name in I currently have a domain name and enter it in this field, and then continue to step 2. If you want to register for a domain name using HostGator, you can enter your choice of domain name here. The rest of the steps are quite self-explanatory. Simply fill in the form and your web hosting account should be created within minutes.